In a cozy, quiet village nestled between gentle hills and whispering trees, there lived a little hedgehog named Harry. Harry was a curious little fellow with bright, shiny eyes and a nose that twitched at every interesting scent. He had a best friend, Lily the bunny, who was full of energy and loved to hop around the village. One sunny morning, Harry woke up with a delightful idea. Today, he announced to himself, I will have an adventure and discover the biggest, juiciest strawberry in the whole wide world. He put on his tiny backpack and off he went to find Lily. Lily, Lily, Harry called as he reached her burrow. Let's go on an adventure to find the biggest, juiciest strawberry ever. Lily's big floppy ears perked up. Oh, that sounds like so much fun. Let's go, Harry, she said with a happy bounce. As they walked through the village, the sun warmed their backs and a gentle breeze tickled their noses. The air smelled sweet with the scent of flowers and fresh grass. The two friends sang a little song they made up. Strawberries so red and sweet. Finding them is such a treat. With Harry and Lily, happy and bright. We'll find them soon. Oh, what a sight. They reached the edge of the magical forest, known for its secret paths and hidden treasures. Harry and Lily held hands, well, paws, and stepped inside. The forest was a wonderful place, filled with tall trees that seemed to touch the sky and colorful flowers that danced in the wind. As they journeyed deeper, they met a friendly butterfly named Bella. Bella's wings sparkled in the sunlight like tiny rainbows. Hello, Harry and Lily, Bella said in her soft, fluttery voice. What brings you here today? We're looking for the biggest, juiciest strawberry ever, Lily explained, hopping in place with excitement. Bella smiled. I saw a patch of strawberries just down the path by the big oak tree. Follow me. The three friends followed the path, and soon they arrived at the patch. There, nestled among the green leaves, were the loveliest strawberries anyone had ever seen. Harry's eyes widened. Look, Lily, they're so big and red. But as Harry tried to pick one, the strawberries giggled. You can't pick us yet, they said in tiny, cheerful voices. We need a bit more sun to be our juiciest. Harry and Lily were surprised to meet talking strawberries. You're right, Harry said. We'll wait until you're ready. While they waited, Harry and Lily decided to play a game of hide and seek. Bella joined too, flitting about and giggling as they tried to find her hiding place among the flowers. After a while, the sun started to dip lower in the sky, casting a golden glow over the forest. The strawberries cleared their tiny throats and said, Now we are ready. Pick us gently, please. Harry and Lily carefully collected the strawberries, thanking each one. They placed them in Harry's tiny backpack, which was now filled with the plump, juicy berries. As they headed back home, they sang their strawberry song again, feeling very happy. Strawberries so red and sweet. Finding them is such a treat. With Harry and Lily, happy and bright, we'll have a feast tonight. Back in the village, the friends shared their strawberries with everyone. The sweet, juicy fruit brought smiles to all their faces. That night, as Harry snuggled into his cozy bed, he thought about the day's adventure. Heck, finding the biggest, juiciest strawberry was so much fun, Harry whispered to himself. But sharing it with friends made it even better. He drifted off to sleep with a smile, dreaming of tomorrow's adventures and the joy of sharing with those he loved. And so, the little hedgehog and his bunny friend taught us that the sweetest treats are best enjoyed together.